You can set up a completely free, unthrottled VPN on your Android device right now without creating an account or paying for a subscription. By the end of this process, your screen will look like this. You will have an active OpenVPN connection, routing your encrypted traffic securely through a foreign server. We are going to use VPN Gate. This is an academic experiment run by the University of Tsukuba in Japan. Instead of relying on corporate servers, it uses a decentralized network of volunteer computers hosted all over the world. Before we begin, open the Google Play Store and install the official OpenVPN Connect app. You must have this installed on your device to import the server configurations we are about to download. Relying on commercial VPNs means trusting a single corporate entity with your data. Shifting to open-source decentralized tools like VPN Gate allows you to bypass regional firewalls and trackers without handing your traffic over to a central provider. Open your mobile browser and type vpngate.net/en into the address bar. This takes you directly to the project's English portal. Scroll down past the welcome text. You are looking for the main public relay server database, this large table showing all currently active volunteer nodes. Find a server physically located in Japan in the left column for best performance. Next, check its metrics. You want high active sessions, a ping under 30 milliseconds, and high throughput speed, like the 2000 megabits per second shown here. Picking a server with a high active session count proves that the volunteer node is currently online, stable, and capable of handling traffic without dropping the connection. Once you have identified a fast Japanese server, look to the far right of that specific row to find the supported protocols. We need the OpenVPN protocol. Locate the column with the green checkmark for OpenVPN and tap the link that says Config File. This new page presents two configuration files, one using a DDNS hostname and the other a direct numerical IP address. Avoid the top DDNS option. Firewalls actively scan for and block these domain names, causing your connection to fail. Instead, go to the bottom option. Tap the link that includes the raw numerical IP address to download the file directly to your device. Censorship filters rely on text-based domain names to block traffic. Feeding your OpenVPN client a direct numerical IP routes you completely around those DNS-level blocks. Now, open the OpenVPN Connect app you installed earlier. You will land on the Import Profile screen. The app defaults to importing via URL. Tap the Upload File tab on the right side of the screen. Tap the orange Browse button at the bottom to open your phone's file manager. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the OpenVPN configuration file you just saved. It will start with VPN Gate. The app will ask if you want to import the profile. Tap OK to confirm. You may see a warning stating the profile does not include a client certificate. This is normal for volunteer nodes. Tap Continue to bypass it. Your profile is now loaded. Tap the Connect button at the bottom to initiate the tunnel. Standard commercial VPNs use client certificates to authenticate paying users. Because VPN Gate operates on an open peer-to-peer architecture without accounts, bypassing this certificate check is a necessary step to access the network. Check your screen. You should now see a green Connected status, along with live metrics confirming your data is actively flowing through the encrypted tunnel. There is one operational hurdle you might run into. If you open your browser and try to use Google, you may see this 403 error page. This happens because automated search indexers monitor traffic patterns. When thousands of people route their searches through a single volunteer IP address, systems like Google temporarily flag it as unusual activity and block the connection. The solution is simple. Open your browser settings and switch your default search engine to DuckDuckGo. It handles VPN traffic without triggering automated blocks. Establishing an encrypted network tunnel is only the first step. True digital evasion requires you to consciously adjust your daily software habits to match your new routing infrastructure.